So I've got my men's long sleeve 3-pack hoodie that I'm wearing right now. These come in multiples of colors of 3. Right now I've got my light gray, my light blue, and my dark gray. I love that these are very stretchable. These are made with 92% polyester, 8% spandex. So it's gonna, as I'm sweating, it's gonna go ahead and pour that moisture out for me. Also, these do have little thumb holes here. So you can go ahead and just, of course, put your thumb through here, cover up most of your hand. You can use this, especially when it's cold, to help keep you warm. Also, if you're gonna be out in the evening and you want somebody to be able to see you, these do have some reflective material here on the front and then on each shoulder. And of course, we have a hoodie. Fits nice and well around my face. The whole shirt feels really good. I mean, it is a large, so it's true to size. It does fit me perfectly here. I like to wear these whether I'm camping, I'm hiking, maybe you're gonna go ahead and go jogging. And of course, if I'm gonna be out in the yard mowing, I like this to go ahead and cover my skin up because this has a SPF of 50+. That way it's not gonna let the UV rays in here onto my skin. Overall, I'm very happy with it. This is definitely something I'm gonna use regularly, and I hope you found this review helpful.